Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we're going to talk about and share a recipe for facial peel, homemade facial peel. Now when it comes onto the skin tends to shed every 30 days or so. However, if you use a facial peel, this will have to speed up the process. The facial peel will have to get rid of the outer layer of the skin, and when you use the facial peel on the skin, it will leave your skin looking bright, clear and radiant. Not only that, using a facial peel on your skin will allow your beauty products to work better on the skin. It will also help to get rid of pigmentation on the skin, and it will also help your skin to look healthier. A facial peel is recommended to use once or twice a month. Now you can choose to go get your facial peel professionally done, or you can try some homemade remedies. Today I'm going to share a homemade facial peel. This facial peel contains acid, which is good for facial peel. We have lactic acid, we have acetic acid, we have citric acid, and guess what? You also need a humectant in a facial peel, and today we're using some coconut oil. So if you're looking for a homemade facial peel that you can apply on your skin once or twice per month and get clearer, beautiful looking skin, and also help your beauty products to work better on your skin, follow me to the kitchen. We're going to whip it up really quick, and at the end I'm going to share some tips and how to get the best result from using this facial peel. Our first ingredient is apple cider vinegar, and we're using the apple cider vinegar for its acetic acid. Acetic acid is used in like mouthwash, breath freshener. Acetic acid is also used in skincare products and personal care products. You can get acetic acid from the apple cider vinegar, and you can also get it from brown rice vinegar. It is good for shampoo, hair rinse, and also it is good used for a skin peel like we're going to be doing now. So I'm going to be using a teaspoon of the apple cider vinegar. Next, I'm going to reach for some orange peel powder. You can buy the orange peel powder, or you can blend your dry orange peel. This is rich in citric acid, and citric acid will help to get rid of pigmentation on the skin. It is great when mixed with the apple cider to use as a natural homemade facial peel. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of the orange peel. Pour this in the apple cider vinegar. Next, we're reaching for some lemon, and lemon is rich in vitamin C and citric acid, just like the orange peel. We're going to use some lemon juice in this, and we're using about a tablespoon of the lemon juice. Pour this in. 1 tablespoon of the lemon juice, and then we are going to mix the 3 ingredients together. We're mixing apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, and orange zest. Mix well. When you're making your homemade peel, you're going to need some form of a humectant. 2 good choices are coconut oil and honey. You can choose to use both, or you can choose to use either or either. However, if you don't have, use whatever oil you have in this recipe. So I'm going to use a teaspoon of the coconut oil. Pour this in, and we're going to mix this in. So we're mixing apple cider vinegar, orange peel powder, coconut oil, and lemon juice. Now once we have all these 3 ingredients together, we have our final ingredient. And take a look at my final ingredient. Here I have some yogurt. We're using yogurt for its lactic acid. Lactic acid will have to get rid of dead skin cells on the skin. It's good for clearing out pores. It is also good for brightening the skin. So we're going to use a tablespoon of the yogurt. And now we are going to mix this in. Do not blend, just mix it with the rest of the ingredient. So here for our homemade facial peel, we have several different kinds of acid. As I mentioned earlier, a facial peel contains acid that will help to peel off the outer layer of the skin, which is basically the dead skin cells. So we have acetic acid, we have citric acid, we also have some lactic acid in this recipe. And now we are gonna mix, and we are mixing well. And now guys, this is ready to use. Now what I like to do with this recipe, I like to just cover it and set it aside for about an hour so that all the acid can infuse. Now when you're using this on the face, make sure to start with clean skin. Now you do not need to use this for no longer than 3 minutes on the skin. So do not click off, continue washing for the demonstration of how to use this facial peel. So to use this facial peel, you want to take and be generous with it, and you are going to use it to exfoliate your skin. Now remember, we have several different kinds of acid, so if you have sensitive skin, go ahead and test this before you apply it all over your face. Now this is one remedy that you need to work fast with. It is natural, however, but definitely work fast with it. Exfoliate for about 2 to 3 minutes. Keep going down on the neck, on the décolleté. Now once this is done, after about 3 minutes, you are going to rinse this off, preferably with some cold water. Once you rinse off, pat dry the skin, apply a facial toner to cool that skin down, and then go ahead and apply your favorite skincare products. Now this is best used at night, and you do not need to use this no more than once every 2 weeks or once per month. That's good. You give yourself a good homemade facial peel. Now once this is done guys, you do not store this in the refrigerator, you just discard it. So make enough just for one use, and if you make too much like I did here, definitely just take it down the neck and the décolleté, and also just use it on your hands to exfoliate your hands also. Okay, so do not throw it out, use it on your hands, and then whatever is left over you discard. All right, so definitely your hands, your face, your neck, and your décolleté. So go ahead, whip it up, use it up, and then come back and leave a comment. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. You like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your comment. If you're familiar with facial peel, comment. And if this is your first time hearing about it, also comment. And if you have used a facial peel before, leave your comment. What would you add to this, and what did you take away from it? Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.